Taxes are a part of life, even when you're renting. Understanding your tax obligations is crucial for managing your finances. As a renter, you might not face the same tax burdens as homeowners, but there are still important factors to consider. Knowing these can save you money. Many tenants are unaware of potential deductions and credits. This lack of knowledge can lead to overpaying on taxes. This guide will empower you with the knowledge to navigate the rental landscape. You'll learn about potential tax deductions and common misconceptions. We'll use real-life examples to illustrate these concepts. By the end, you'll be equipped to potentially lower your tax bill. Remember, this guide provides general information. Consult with a tax professional for personalized advice. Let's dive in. Property taxes are usually associated with homeowners. However, renters indirectly contribute to these taxes. Landlords often factor property taxes into the monthly rent. You might wonder, why should I care about property taxes if they're included in my rent? Understanding this can help you negotiate rent. If property taxes decrease, you can use this information to your advantage. Some states offer property tax relief programs for renters. These programs provide direct rebates or credits on your state income tax. Check with your state's tax agency to see if you qualify. By understanding how property taxes affect your rental situation, you can be a more informed tenant. Now, let's explore other potential tax benefits available to renters. Even though you're renting, you might be eligible for tax deductions. These deductions can reduce your taxable income, leading to tax savings. It's like getting a discount on your taxes. One such deduction is for moving expenses. If you moved because of a new job, you might be able to deduct these costs. This includes transportation, insurance, packing, and in-transit storage. Another potential deduction is for student loan interest. If you're paying off student loans, you might be able to deduct a portion of the interest paid. This can be a significant saving, especially in the early years of repayment. Remember, tax laws are complex and subject to change. Always consult with a tax professional to determine your eligibility for these deductions. Section 4. The Home Office Deduction. A money saver for remote workers. Working from home has become increasingly common. If you're a renter who works remotely, you might be eligible for the home office deduction. This deduction allows you to deduct a portion of your rent and utilities. To qualify, your home office must be your principal place of business. It should be used exclusively for work-related activities. You can't use the space for personal activities, like watching TV. The home office deduction can be calculated using the simplified method or the regular method. The simplified method is easier, but the regular method might result in a larger deduction. Consult with a tax professional to determine the best method for you. Remember, properly documenting your home office expenses is crucial for claiming this deduction. Section 5. Real-life savings. How renters like you paid less. Let's look at Sarah, a renter who saved money on her taxes by utilizing deductions. Sarah is a freelance graphic designer who works from her home office. By claiming the home office deduction, she was able to deduct a portion of her rent, utilities, and internet expenses. Another example is John, who moved for a new job. John kept all his moving receipts and used them to claim the moving expense deduction. This saved him hundreds of dollars on his taxes. These examples highlight the importance of understanding potential tax benefits. By taking advantage of available deductions, renters like Sarah and John were able to reduce their tax liability. Remember, these are just a few examples. Your individual circumstances will determine your eligibility for specific deductions. Section 6. Stay informed, save more, your tax toolkit. Staying informed about tax laws is crucial for maximizing your savings. Tax laws are constantly changing, so staying up to date is essential. Here are some resources to help you stay informed. The IRS website. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS website, is a treasure trove of tax information. You'll find publications, forms, and FAQs. Tax preparation software. Tax software can simplify the filing process. These programs guide you through each step and help you identify potential deductions. Tax professionals. Consider consulting with a tax professional for personalized advice. They can help you navigate complex tax situations. By utilizing these resources, you can stay informed and potentially reduce your tax burden. Remember to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to stay updated. Section 7. Take control of your taxes. A smarter way to rent. Understanding your tax obligations as a renter is crucial for financial well-being. By being proactive and informed, you can potentially save money and make the most of your rental situation. Remember to explore potential deductions, stay updated on tax laws, and consult with tax professionals when needed. Don't miss out on opportunities to reduce your tax liability. Take control of your taxes and make renting a smarter financial decision.